pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Sens. And we're your anchor for today. I'm Benny.
I'm Jordy.
And I'm Berto.
The countdown to the end of the semester is on our way. Only 6 weeks left. Remember semester grade. Go on our official transcript.
Tonight is the last night to see our fall play, Alice. Showtimes are 3:30 and 6 p.m. Entrance is free with a suggested $5 donation. Come out and support Magnolia Theater.
Happy Friday, Sentinels. This is Mr. Rudy, your Community Schools Coordinator. I am excited to share with you a brand new resource here on campus, the Magnolia Work Center. This new space is located in the Family Center and allows one to stop by and view local job postings and job fairs. Additionally, on Thursdays from 12:30 p.m. to 3:45 p.m., our community partners with the YES program host office hours where you can receive one-on-one support to build up your resume, job search, and other similar activities. Should you have any questions, please contact me in the Parent Center. Thank you very much.
On Tuesday, November 19, the Red Cross Blood Drive is happening all day in the gym.
Since November 15th is Lunch with the Sentinel. Bring your parents and have lunch with them.
Your job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the old way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, a week, a month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for you, 'cause I'm there for you too.
What's up, Sens? This is Friends for Fun filming for Mag TV. Today we're currently at the Pumpkin Patch / Dia de los Muertos event. I'm here with, of course, Adam C. and Alberto.
And this homeless man, yo no sé qué está diciendo.
Plans for today include watching this epic show take place and also going to the pumpkin patch to see the pumpkins, probably, and also the unique sculptures and other art projects done by our Spanish team classes. Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
Bro, that's a guy.
A jumped up country boy who never knew his place. He said, return the ring. He knows so much about these things. He knows so much about these things. I would go out tonight, but I haven't got.
And we're lost.
We lost. I wonder how we go. I wonder how we leave.
All right, guys. I think we're lost.
Help! Pictures of me, please.
How was it, guys?
Pictures.
You actually got lost.
To the screen.
Who are you?
Oh, no, who are you?
Who's this guy? Out of here.
There's a...
Oh, guys, my camera's roll. Hi, guys.
Yeah, Enrique.
Tell me, bro, that took me extra too. What?
All right, that's it for today, Sens. That was honestly a pretty fun experience. That was pretty cool, especially walking in the corn maze and checking out what all the booths are and stuff. Yeah, this is a really memorable event, and I hope they do something like this in the future. Even though I probably won't be here for it. But that's it. Mac TV over now.
How was it?
Tiring.
On November 21st, the Luna Wellness Space is open. Stop by room 110 between 3:30 and 5:30 p.m. for wellness activities and snacks. Now we have some event highlights and segments from our activity crews.
Just come outside for the night. Take your time, get your life. Turn it down. The career's more at stake when you in your prime.
I'm doing this tonight. You're probably gonna start a fight. I know this can't be right. Hey, baby, come on. I love you endlessly when you were really there for me. So now it's time to leave and make it alone. I know that I can take no more. It ain't no lie. I wanna see you out that door, baby. Bye, bye, bye. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in the game for two. You may hate me, but it ain't no lie, baby. Bye, bye, bye. Don't really wanna make it tough. I just wanna tell you that I've had enough. It might sound crazy, but it ain't no lie, baby. Bye, bye, bye.
And that's all for today's Send.
Have a wonderful Friday. Make today count. Mag TV.
Oh, wait.
Over and out.
I backed my car into a cop car the other day, where he just drove off. Sometimes life's a cake. I ran my mouth off a bit too much. What did I say? Well, you just laughed it off. It was all okay.